Good afternoon. This is Leslie Sutherland with Phoenix Consulting Group. I'm here with two people from Cisco who just done a presentation at the ASAP Global Alliance Summit 2010 here in Anaheim, California. Greg Fox, who's the Director of Marketing at Cisco, Director of Alliance Marketing at Cisco,
Hi.
and Debbie Gililland, who's a Senior Marketing Manager for Emerging Markets?
Emerging Solutions.
Emerging Solutions. You just gave a really fascinating talk about a partner health survey program you've had going on at Cisco for quite a while.
Yes.
Can you share a little bit of your main insights of why you do it and what you've gotten out of it?
Sure. I mean, it's important that we are able to look at the health of our alliance portfolio, both at the portfolio level but also the individual alliances, because each alliance is unique and different and really custom overall. So it's important that you have the ability to measure kind of what's working, what's not working, and then incorporating the feedback directly from our own executives that we interview, but also the partner executives, to be able to put that into a real tangible action plan that we can take action on, that can be incorporated into the overall kind of operations of the plan and governance, and that the team feels accountable for in terms of success moving forward, and that there's real detailed oversight and metrics associated with the follow-on plans associated.
You know, you're touching on, I think it was something that a lot of alliance managers can relate to, which is how do you measure the value of an alliance, and then how do you manage that alliance effectively going forward. So how long was this plan in place? How long have you been doing partner health surveys?
We started in probably early 2000, 2002. We had a big gap for a while in terms of kind of follow on. So then 2006, I believe, was the last one we did most recently. It's been a little bit of a while.
How do you execute a partner health survey?
Well, it's important you have a sort of steering committee in place. You need funding, making sure it's part of your overall kind of planning cycle. So you can get executives and the team aligned around this is what it's going to take in terms of funding. Here's the commitment involved in terms of action that needs to take place in your role and the time
So
commitment
it's not
involved.
just a satisfaction survey?
No.
So how is it different from a satisfaction survey? Do you want to talk about that?
Sure. Really what we do is we try to measure the health of the relationship. So instead of looking at how happy the partner might be with the relationship, we're looking at how it's functioning, how well the goals and objectives are aligned, how well the governance is working, those types of things that really can measure how it's functioning as an alliance and whether it's meeting the goals of the alliance.
Now, you were the project manager for this particular initiative. Can you share a little bit with me about what the challenges were? I know sometimes people think, oh, gee, it might be like circling cats. What?
Well, one of the things I think is to get the executive support that this is not a measurement of how well of a job the alliance manager is doing. It's really a measure of how the alliance is performing and how the folks are working together. And so I think to get over that hump of with the alliance managers, to let them know that this is information, the results of this information that they should be open to and that they should embrace and they should use to identify trends in the alliance. And I think it really is a lot more fruitful that way.
Has it impacted the length of time that your alliances have stayed in place?
I think so, to some degree. I mean, you can never overcome fully, what kind of bigger moves a company may make in terms of acquisitions that could, destroy, so to speak, work that you've put in place for a lot of years. But I think it has helped in terms of their longevity because they have a little more focused effort around fixing things that needed to be addressed and then incorporating those into the overall kind of strategy and plan moving forward.
Well, Greg Fox and Debbie Gililland from Cisco, thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure to be here.
Thank you.
Okay, you can hit the red button.